Oh, extremely flammable liquid. How flammable? How flammable?
Alright, we left the guys in the shop working and we're headed to Region Track. So we're gonna go try to get some kids qualified for state and hopefully win some medals.
Good morning. Today it is just Hunter and myself. We're in the shop. Paul is at track region. See how high Jace can jump. He was hoping for the 6'5" or 6'6".
Yeah, he's got
6'4".
The school record's 6'5".
That's right. So hopefully he can beat the record. He'll have the title. Today we're on the Ratback. We got a bunch done the other day, and so we're buttoning things up with what we have. I believe we have these, I don't even know what they're called, door kicker seals. So we're trying to get those screws out. We got most of them out, old rusty. We're gonna have to grind slots. Hopefully screwdriver will take them out. We got the weather stripping for right there on the outside of the door. And we're gonna shoot for getting the back window in today, because that'll pretty much seal the cab up with the rest of the parts we have. We're still waiting on the aluminum to mount the bed. We've got one AC line right here. Goes to the condenser right through there. So we gotta take the grill back out. But this AC line is plumbed. We got heater hoses to hook up. We're still just buttoning ends up. But those are major checklist items, even though they're little. We'll see what we get done and keep on working on this old girl. One day she'll be done.
Sure you know what you're doing?
No. You fake it till you make it.
Yeah.
That's what I've been told. It's worked so far. I don't know how long you can keep skating by on, but it's worth a shot. Oh yeah, look at that.
You got one.
Got one.
Oh, don't put your hand back. Nice job, Jace.
There's that. What do you think of the rust? Look at the layer. That's a lot of rust. Anyhow, that's off. I'll buff all this rust off, clean it up, and we'll get the new sill, put it back in, and get it together.
Okay, it's time to take this window out. I don't know how. I'm not a window person. You know how?
You want a hammer?
That'd be the easiest way, but I mean, technically we don't need it, right?
No, we got a new one. Clean up sucks.
We've got a sheet right there. We could like lay the sheet out.
But
Never done one of
Last
these
resort.
before. Yeah, last resort. I think there's like little insert ring things. Pull all those out, just fall out. I don't know. We'll see. There's definitely window critics out there that are gonna be like, "What in the heck are you doing?" I got them all out, didn't just fall out, so I was hoping. You wanna go catch it? Taking it out is gonna be a lot easier than putting it back in, I have a feeling. Look at that.
got her. Coming to you.
Go, Jace! Go, Jace! Go, Jace! Go, go, go! Woo!
All right, we're gonna scuff all of this around here because may as well do it now before the window's in so we don't have weird lines and stuff.
There's no time like now. We're going for it. So Hunter's got the gasket in. He found the window. That took a minute, but she was in a box. We got it cut open. It's right. So we're gonna flip the gasket over, center it, and found the tools. So we're gonna do this. I've never done it before. I've watched people do it, but I'll be on the inside holding it.
Oh, yeah.
And Hunter can,
I'm sure.
Hunter can do it. He watched the YouTube video. He's qualified.
You watched one too. There's different ways of
Yeah,
doing
but yours
it.
was better. So if this window breaks, I guess we're looking for a new job. I don't know.
Right.
But we'll see how it goes. It shouldn't be too difficult.
I want to spray that.
The window's on the outside.
Yeah, it goes in from the outside in.
That's good. 'Cause I've got
We watched YouTube videos on how to do it. And every single video we watched, they had the suction things to the window so you can hang on to it. We don't have that luxury around here, so we're gonna try not to draw. Should we put something underneath there? Do we? Or if it falls, I guess. They started in one corner and then worked their way over.
Oh, thought you had it.
Oh,
You thought I had it.
you got it?
Yeah.
Maybe you get this farther and push it over more? I don't know.
Go push the rubber back up on the inside. You got the window's not falling, right?
It shouldn't.
That help any?
Yeah. Okay, that's all the way across. It needs to go in though.
Like that?
There we go. Slipped in now.
So we can just pull the rope now?
I mean, it's in.
Oh, why was that so easy? We didn't
I
screw
feel
up.
like we messed up or something. I don't
Yeah.
know. Like,
Didn't shatter, didn't break.
I'll just run the rope around. Maybe that's hard.
I mean, they're both first times, so.
Woo! He already did 5'8". He did 5'10" too. I think this is 6. I don't know though.
Barely. Make sure you pick that.
Where are you starting? Bottom? I need some milk duds though.
Is it supposed to sit all the way down in it, or?
I think so. I think the little one opens it up and the big one lays it in. You doing top or bottom?
Top, because it's easier maybe. Oh my goodness.
It's going. That's in, right? There's a reason I'm in here, actually. That looks kind of strenuous. There it goes.
Hey, that actually laid in there kind of nice.
That pulled the inside in. Made the inside look better.
Tighter than a freaking. It's actually in laying kind of good.
Cool.
It's just gonna take freaking forever.
That's been good.
Look at that. You said you weren't a professional.
It's still not over yet.
Oh, you did good.
It's not gonna fall out.
See, you just underestimated your own ability.
Heck yeah. That went a lot better than I thought.
I'm super happy.
Didn't even break it. I think that's good though.
That looks awesome.
Heck yeah.
That makes me want to do the front windows. Then
You don't want to push our luck.
Jeez. Looks nice, man.
Oh, you kicked it! Yeah!
So we're to this side now. The other side, just digging that little bit of rubber out. It's supposed to curl down like that. but then the back piece slips in that slot. I don't know how to keep it there. So we're gonna move up to heater hoses. The back window's awesome. We don't want to jinx ourselves and do the front and back in the same day. We got to hook some heater hose and AC lines up to get this box hooked up.
Door seals with that flammable glue
Forgot
stuff.
about that. Flammable glue.
It says
Yeah.
very, very flammable.
Very flammable. Let's get those on.
Okay, we're putting the strips on the door. That's what these are for. The glue, you're supposed to glue them on. Everywhere on the package it says extremely flammable liquid and vapor. Vapor may cause flash fire.
I like the sound of
Right?
that.
And then you look at the actual tube itself, extremely flammable liquid. How flammable? How flammable really? How can't be that flammable, right?
Let's check it out.
What should we put it on? See how flammable it really is. It says vapor too, so like
Not vapors.
should we light tape on fire and then
It's barely
didn't
bubbling.
even
The tape burns more.
yeah, the tape's more flammable,
That's dumb. False advertisement.
right?
Like that? Is that the proper way? Anybody in the camera? Before we do this? We've got that way. Or which way? That way? That way. Go ahead and laugh at me.
YouTube University.
Go ahead and laugh at me. That way sticks out past the door. And I wonder if it would catch and roll funny. That way's just inside the door.
I think there's only
And
two
it would
ways it
squish
could go.
back. Well, there is only two ways, but there's only one way, really. I'm shooting with this way, if the camera agrees. I kind of like that. I think that way's it. So it says to apply it, let it get
Found a
tacky.
YouTube video.
Okay. This is how we settle debates around here,
Yeah.
and I don't know if I've lost yet or not. What are you doing?
Check it out. I'll show you. Let's see it.
How clean is it?
That
Way
to
better?
That.
Yeah?
It might stick now. So just all the way along the side and bottom of it.
You can probably just corner it and then smear it both ways.
Okay.
I'll do the seal itself.
Gonna glue the door now. Sean is gluing the actual, is that the weather strip?
Maybe I'll let you do both things there. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So you got to start on the bottom. We'll
So like this?
according to YouTube, that is the way to do it.
Okay, we got one door glued. We'll let that set up and now we'll go do the other one. All right, we got them in. It sucked. Now thinking about it, we should take the doors off.
It looks better than what we started with.
I agree. Let it dry overnight and then
Yeah, then we can shut it. And I don't know, we did good.
now what?
Now I would say heater hoses and take the grill out.
Perfect.
One more thing.
Yep.
Let's go do it. We're just in the shop. I'm eating jerky because it's snack time we've designated 10 minutes right here. What are you eating?
I think I found it's probably one of the best things a fan, like food-wise, fans, other than the lobster. Somebody sent us live lobster. That was awesome. Like the little waffle things, they're good. They are, what are they called?
What's the name of it?
10 how do you even say that?
I don't know.
Thank you, whoever brought these. These are delicious.
What are you doing?
We got one heater hose on, about to get the other one. They are barely long enough, if you can't tell.
That one went on a little easier.
All right, I gotta breathe. I'm fat, but now
No comment from the peanut gallery.
drinking Pepsi will do that to you. But for some reason, I don't quit drinking it. I don't know. It's weird. Like you know the problem, but it's delicious. So this is hooked up. Let's go hook it to the engine now, because the other side's not hooked up yet. Perfect.
Got Region Track all wrapped up. It's about dark 30 and we're headed home. On to state next week. So region went really good, kids did good. We got a few more kids into state than we're planning on going, so state should be good next week. It'll be fun.
Okay, I gotta take the grill out so we can get to the condenser.
Now that it's summertime, the heater's plumbed. We won't be needing that for a while, but it's ready. Did you find any AC lines? Fittings?
Then one. We don't
One?
have another one for the other side.
We'll see what AC lines we have, and once we get those built, we can put the grill together, and it's almost ready for wiring. We're getting super close. Duals, winch cables to the back winch, mount the bed. We can drive this thing. So the idea we was thinking was 90s and coming down the inside of the frame, but that wasn't working. We didn't have the right fitting. Now it's gonna be easier. This line runs right here on top. So if we come in the fender well, we can come back inside. Hopefully the grill misses. That's close. So that one's right behind the light, but we should be able to come right up the back side. That one's close.
It's tight.
That's tight to the old grill there. We probably will trim that piece a little bit. We'll see if we can find some hose. Maybe we'll build some. Get her whipped up.
All right, I just made it back from the track meet. These guys have done a bunch of work today. So Jace did pretty good in the track meet. We actually did really good. A bunch of people won medals, so it's a good day. These guys are getting it. Look, AC lines. Nice. They gonna leak?
They're not crimped.
What the heck?
I think this one will work, but this one's pretty short.
All right, these guys got a bunch done on this thing today. All the weather stripping's in it. It's starting to come together, starting to be a truck. So we're done for the day. We're gonna take a break. I'm gonna get out of the sun for a while. It was hot today at the track meet, and then we'll be back at it tomorrow.